We're gonna do one pan pasta. We're gonna do that with fettuccine. Make my own Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna dice up some tomatoes on top. We're going to saute these vegetables with some olive oil and some butter, but first we're gonna make the pasta. Put it in a dish, hold it over, put some olive oil on there. And then we'll put the vegetables in here, saute them on butter and garlic, and I'll show you that video next. So I added a little bit of olive oil in there, as you can see. It's collecting around the edges, just to keep the pasta from sticking so much. Just getting some of that starch. There we go. It's probably about 20-ish minutes for this. I think it said 12 to 13 al dente. I like mine a little bit more than that. So I'll probably do mine for about 15 and see where we're at. So what I'm gonna do is remove the pasta and cook the vegetables and stuff in here with the butter and the oil and the Parmesan and some seasoning. And then I'm gonna re-add the noodles to this mixture in this pot. So I want them to cook a little bit longer with the vegetables. So we're gonna pause this for now. All right, we did a little fast forward here. I have the noodles over here, so I'm gonna add some oil to those. Make sure they're gonna stay good. But there's still a little bit of water in there, so we're still good on that. Because I'm gonna put a little bit of water in my Alfredo sauce. So I'm saving a little bit, but there we go. That looks delicious. Now we have our garlic and our olive oil and our butter. Having fun together. So I'm about to add our premix. Pre-cut. Always cut yourself ahead of time, jeez. You know what I mean? Time saver. So that's been kind of waiting on me for a minute because it did take a lot of time to do my garlic. I hate doing that. I don't have a garlic press, so I had to press it by hand, but here we go. I'm gonna add these veggies. It smells so good already, oh my gosh. It's insane. And I love green onions, so I am so excited. No shortage of these in my food. Smells so good. No.